Welcome, everybody, to RDR Sports Cards. It is Sunday, September the 13th, 2015. It is kickoff weekend. We've got a personal box break for Mitch of 2014 Panini National Treasures Football. Let's get this started. Good luck, Mitch. Let's get you something big and worthy of some one touches. Oh, love that. Love the crack. I'll leave that there. Empty. Okay. Might have a playbook. It's a little bit fatter. Oh. Hang on one sec. Did my video go down? Stand by. It's definitely a thick box. Let me know. I don't know why it just stopped, but it's definitely, I started to show you, it's a thick box. I haven't touched it or... My OBS, I'm going to upgrade and get a different, this streaming service. The video is still live, though, on Ustream. So Ustream did not go down, but it looked like OBS did. So we'll have the video. You have the full video record on Ustream on the video. So sorry about that, Mitch, if the breakers went down for a second there. But anyway, I haven't even cracked the seal yet. It's still sealed and it's still thick. So... I'm gonna have to get a different simulcast thing because OBS has been letting me down recently. Okay, it's definitely thick. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sleeve as I go like last time. So. Let's do this. Yeah, there's definitely a book. I knew it. I saw it was thick. So let's get it. Hope it's one touch worthy. All right, here we go, Mitch. First card, Matt Ryan Parallel, 2 of 2. Matt Ryan Parallel, 2 of 2. We're expecting big things from him Monday night. Anyone who's got some fantasy lineups, especially daily fantasy, hoping for some big things out of him. 2 of 2. Nice, good start there with a good parallel. All right. Yeah, jersey number. Next up, Monsters of the Midway, Jay Cutler, 95 out of 99. 95 out of 99, excuse me. The Cutlet. Let's see if I can get this on a regular sleeve. It's just slightly thicker. Yeah, it'll go. And sorry, one sec. Let me get a 120. I said Amy should be home any minute. I'm flying solo, so we'll have to you'll have to deal with the suspense here for just a few more seconds. All right, 120. Jay Cutler, he's in. All right. Next up, is that 2 cards? Yeah, stuck together. Blake Bortles. Blake Bortles, 43 out of 50. Authentic player worn material, single color. Blake Bortles. Okay, 120. Perfect. All right. Next up, Storm Johnson. Storm Johnson, 37 out of 99. Storm Johnson. Might have to go in a thick one. And we'll go in a 130 there to be on the safe side. For Storm Johnson. All right. I'm almost thinking about saving the playbook, but we'll see. Okay. 27 out of 99. Blake Bortles, Teddy Bridgewater, NFL rookie gear. Bridgewater and Bortles. Single color patches for them. All right, let me get this one in a sleeve. I might have to go in a thick. Oh, we got it. 130. Okay, it is a jumbo rookie. Cody Latimer. Cody Latimer for the Denver Broncos. 72 out of 99. C-Lat. Nice three-color big patch. Cody Latimer. All right, I got to get that one top-loaded for you. Next up, nice. Devin Street for the Dallas Cowboys, 5 out of 25. Devin Street, nice two-color patch. 5 out of 25. That one's sleeved up. All right. Next up, Arian Foster and DeAndre Hopkins. Prime pairings, 5 out of 15. So a little Arian Foster and D-Hop. That's a nice hit. 5 out of 15. Of course, Arian is out with the injury. But he's a nice auto to get for sure. All right. Next up, this is a nice card here. It's one of our favorite rookies, Mike Evans, 4 out of 10. Mike Evans, NFL gear, 4 out of 10. Nice on-card auto. Nice hit there for sure. Oops. 4 out of 10 on the Mike Evans. I think that's going to have to go in a 130. I got to get another 130. And last but not least, Legends, Tony Dorsett, 90 out of 99. Tony Dorsett, 90 out of 99. All right, Mitch. Get that one in a 120 for you. And that is your box. Congratulations.